In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends in Stumble Guys. As you dive into the whimsical world of this game, connecting with friends can enhance your overall experience, sharing laughter and companionship along the way. Let's break down the steps in a friendly and straightforward manner. First, you'll want to open the game on your mobile device. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection. Once you launch the game, you'll be taken to the main menu, a colorful screen that sets the tone for the fun ahead. Here, you'll see several options, but what you need to focus on is the friends icon, which can usually be found at the top of the screen. It might look like two little figures standing alongside each other. It's designed to be intuitive, so you can easily spot it. Tap on that friends icon, and you'll land on the friends page. This is where the magic happens. Don't worry if you see an empty list at first. We're about to change that. Look for the Add Friend button. It should be prominently displayed. Once you find it, go ahead and tap it. This will prompt you to enter your friend's unique username. Make sure you have the correct username. One small typo, and your friend request might end up in the wrong hands. Now, here's a useful tip. Have your friends double-check their usernames for any special characters or unusual capitalizations. Sometimes, usernames can be case-sensitive, so a little attention to detail goes a long way. Once you've entered the username correctly, tap the Send Request button. This action will notify them of your friend request. Your friend will then need to accept your request in the game, so make sure to let them know to keep an eye out for it. Communication outside of the game can be helpful here, maybe a quick message or a nudge to remind them to check their friends section. After they accept your request, their name will appear in your friends list. If you're wondering how to play with your friends after adding them, it's simple. Whenever you start a lobby, you'll have the option to invite your friends to join you. Just select their names from your friends list, and they'll receive an invitation to join your game session, allowing you to share in the excitement and chaos that Stumble Guys is famous for. Remember, adding friends and playing together is not just about winning or losing. It's about creating memorable moments and having fun. Whether you're toppling over obstacles or sprinting to the finish line, having friends along for the journey makes every stumble more enjoyable. So go ahead, expand your circle in Stumble Guys, and let the friendly battles begin.